Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. DRDO on Friday successfully flight tested the indigenously developed Abhyas HEAT, that is high speed expandable aerial target, from integrated test range Chandipur off the coast of Bay of Bengal in Odisha. The air vehicle was launched using twin underslung boosters which provided the initial acceleration to the vehicle. During its trial, the performance of the target aircraft was monitored through telemetry and various tracking sensors including radars and electro-optical tracking system. The current test was carried out as a part of developmental flight trials. Expression of interest for production of the vehicle has already been floated for bidding by Indian companies. The indigenous target aircraft, once developed, will meet the requirement of high-speed expandable aerial target for Indian Armed Forces. Talking about Abhyas, it is designed and developed by DRDO's AD. It is powered by a gas turbine engine to sustain a long endurance flight at subsonic speed. The Abhyas is equipped with MEMS, that is micro electromechanical system based navigation system for navigation along with flight control computer for guidance and control. The vehicle is programmed for fully autonomous flight. The checkout of Abhyas is done using laptop based ground control station. It has a speed of Mach 0.44 to Mach 0.87, range of 500 km and can attain altitude of 200 meter to 5 km. It consists of two-stage parachute recovery and has controllable range of 300 km and maximum range of 500 km. The fuselage of Abhyas consists of 5 sections, which are nose cone, equipment bay, fuel tank bay, air intake bay and tail cone. The material for nose and tail cone are made up of composite materials, whereas the material for equipment bay, air intake bay and fuel tank are made up of aluminum steel alloy. The wings and tail plane of Abhyas have been derived from Lakshya by downsizing them. However, wings of Abhyas are positioned on upward side of the body, whereas Lakshya has underbody wings. For propulsion, it is fitted with gas turbine engine having a thrust of 25 kg with an endurance of about 30 to 45 minutes. Abhyas is GPS enabled and has on-board flight control computer and a miss distance indicator. It is also designed for autonomous flight with the help of an autopilot, which means it can be used as a loitering munition or kamikaze drone. The Abhyas is launched from a mobile launcher with the help of two 68mm booster rockets at the end of its launch phase. The burnout booster rockets are dumped. Therefore, the main gas turbine engine powers the vehicle during cruise phase. Abhyas radar cross-section as well as its visual and infrared signature can be manipulated to simulate a variety of aircraft for air defense weapon practices. It can also function as a jammer platform and decoy. The HEAT system is utilized to do away with post-launch recovery mode, which is time-consuming and difficult in a scenario as the sea. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.